As part of our pre-construction process, we want to make sure that the perimeter is secured. We want to make sure that the ACs are covered, the windows are boarded up, and there's tarps securing the property to catch all the nails and debris from falling down. At this job, you can see that the houses are pretty close together, so we're not only protecting our house that we're working on, but also the neighbors to prevent anything from happening. What you see here is a piece of plywood and tarp. The reason we do a two-layer defense is to catch all the small nails and debris from falling into the cage. So part of our construction process isn't just boarding up the windows and laying out tarps along the ACs. We also want to make sure that we secure the pool equipment, garage doors, and any other vulnerable part of your house. In part of our pre-construction process, I'm going to ask you to have your cars moved out of the garage. We have to have access to the driveway, have the gates unlocked, and have all the animals boarded. Part of our construction process is to make sure that we do magnet sweeps every 2 hours. There's over 10,000 nails that are coming off the roof, and we want to make sure that we collect as many as we can, as often as we can. Nobody wants a nail in their tire, so that's why we want to make sure that we do this as often as we can. So this is our pre-construction process. My name is Luis with Artisan Roofing, and I'm looking forward to building your roof.